OncoGEO is a collection of individual oncology-related datasets in NCBI's GEO and SRA repositories, including samples of cell lines and normal controls. This collection also includes Omicsoft curated comparison data from these projects, such as disease versus normal, drug resistant versus drug sensitive, or drug treatment versus controlled treatment, with statistical inferences to identify differentially expressed genes within these treatment groups. In this video tutorial, we will explore how users can find studies that are deposited within OncoGEO. As an example, we will use a study published in the journal Cell in 2016 and deposited in GEO as described in the article. In this study, the authors examined the molecular profiles of metastatic skin cancers from patients that are responding or resistant to anti-PD-1 therapy. These videos will describe how to browse data from this study and how to find other comparisons within OncoGEO with similar results.